Have you been passing notes and getting caught? Talking and almost getting detention? Using your phone and almost getting it taken away? Well, we solved your problem with a new telepath bracelet. No more deaf stares or getting caught home. Just Link and Connect, and it's the best bracelet yet.
Not only are they fashionable, but they help me talk to friends.
A bracelet that links with one another's brains and tell each other secrets. The best and only way to enjoy talking in school without getting caught. It's only $24.99. Buy one and get the next one half off. Buy one and get the next one half off. Gold, silver, blue, brown, any color. Mix and match, boy and girl. Scientists say it will work 99% anywhere, anytime.
Yeah, look at me too. Oh my God, I have one too. We should connect the class.
Call 1-800-TALK-NOW. 1-800-TALK-NOW. Batteries still separately. Shipping and handling over $5. Only $5. So call, pick up your phone. Call 1-800-TALK-NOW.